In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a better LinkedIn post with ChatGPT. If you want your LinkedIn content to feel more thoughtful, more personal, and more likely to connect with the right people, this process will help. The goal is not to let AI replace your voice. It's to use it as a tool to shape your ideas faster and more clearly. Start by choosing one clear topic for the post. Don't try to cover everything at once. A strong LinkedIn post usually works best when it focuses on one lesson, one experience, one opinion, or one useful insight. Keeping the topic narrow makes the writing stronger and easier for people to follow. Next, decide who you want the post to reach. Think about the specific audience you want to speak to, whether that's job seekers, founders, managers, marketers, or people in your industry. When you know exactly who the post is for, the message becomes much more relevant. Then give ChatGPT the raw material. Share your opinion, your personal experience, or the main lesson you want people to take away. This is an important part of the process because the quality of the post depends on the quality of what you give it. The more real and specific your input is, the more natural the result will feel. After that, ask for several attention-grabbing opening lines. Openings matter because they determine whether someone stops scrolling. Once you have a few options, choose the one that sounds most like you. Don't just pick the most dramatic line. Pick the one that fits your tone and feels believable coming from you. Now ask ChatGPT to create a concise LinkedIn post based on your original idea. Keep it short and readable, and make sure it uses short paragraphs. That's especially helpful on mobile, where dense blocks of text often get ignored. As the post takes shape, include something useful, a lesson, a brief example, or a practical takeaway. Give readers a reason to care and something they can actually apply. Then end with a natural question or call to action so the post invites conversation instead of just ending abruptly. Before publishing, clean it up. Remove generic AI wording and cut unnecessary hashtags if they don't add value. Add personal details that only you could have written, because that's what makes the post stand out and feel authentic. Finally, proofread the post and publish it. Then review how it performs, look at what got attention, what sparked comments, and what felt most aligned with your voice. Use those results to improve your future prompts and make each post better than the last.